It is a great thing to serve the living God. What's up, lovely people of Ghana? It's another episode of the exclusive show on HY TV, and I'm your finest MC Ike for you, like I've been doing. Any name at all that you want to define me with, I really want accept and appreciate it in good faith. You know, I've come here today to bring you the latest news, what is trending on the social media platforms, and I'm here to gist you with it. So glue, relax, and enjoy whatever they have for you. But before we go down, we have a lot, but then make the pick a crack. Make now, make surface no matter train aba. First and foremost, who himself police arrested Prophet Jesus. Prophet Jesus. A brand here now. Say make us now we have to what the young friend of Cotonchen? Ya bra pain, funny face. Or no so, Wakopacho, and made a one seminar bed, ebe bro. Opacho and so yasaction, and also made a one seminar bed, about Peoso. So what I say. And now, Yemi Alade, Nigerian songstress, or ne international musician, I friend, Ed Sheeran. Aqua Cochitrim come on, and no so one seminar. I made the aba, made the nina bed, ever pay also. Now, also himself, the Akofa, Shatawale ni alleged gunshot Nino Manamani in Abayo, and also some more, made the nina bed, ever pay also. Nyabutremame, me tramoba, and me tramoba, and Kaina made the bed, but the best swallow.
Adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon enim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre amache ene de keka nyina no yok morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo bo wode asa be hia eye me okamafo Clement ene ma beja for e wo yok morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a esi wo mani mu nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no. Adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon enim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre amache ene de keka nyina no yok morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo bo wode asa obe hia eye me okamafo Clement ene ma beja for e wo yok morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a esi wo mani mu nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no.
HY television so say me kind me catch him say me ko gin craft so say me body wo hina me dey me be twam so me be pem so na ma feel vibe ni na enti say me ba ya na ma sanabo ma ye bani bia pa che mi o. Okay, say me kind from the beginning me catch you say Yemi Alade on Ed Sheeran, an international musician out of Bezo America omo ko di nkomo kakra enkomo na ko di e minim asem na Yemi Alade o bisa no ewie no okobisa ne say Ghana jollof ni Nigerian jollof den na nka ye di si was on fa obefa every brand na also no pe Ghana jollof say minim say brand no visit Ghana pay him say on visited that but I don't really know but I'm sure he has been in Ghana before because they will see can't see Ghana jollof ni that it means say waba be so jollof ni bi aye aso ahwe it's Ghana caterers na ye ma me mo jade amono enwiane ma ye no ya appreciate mu effort e say amunya kodu America what I say e say mo appreciate me say mo ba international mo nyina mo ko international all the way say what I say because international for no appreciate Ghana jollof it means o mo enwiane kra nye de ba ko say the last time me came to Ghana me fe enya krakra
I think I prefer Ghana and Nigeria. So I haven't been to Nigeria, so like I'll go.
Near you are near call funny face in the camp. Children's president, cow and chicken, Abrantiano, or also a comedian or Ghana. I see no home ban semblebre, but and then was sorry. Ako Kofi TV so for an interview. Kofi Adoma a Grantino. Or say, or Pagana for you natural. Send a casa or car here. Time or any video no post here or make it in Sembebre. And chat name fa. Didn't pay for baby at them. Emma and then what Bob wants about the Pagana for a show. Sagana for Momo Ban, Momu Miano, Monfani Bon in channel, and BBC you made it. See.
Yes, the Pomacho. I know some of them will pray, Charlie. I'm going through a lot of you have no idea. The spiritual warfare, the psychological warfare, the physical warfare is taking a toll on me. I feel like naturally what's that me share space like I want to say me for 10 good days non-stop. Yesterday was the 10th day. And so now, as a phone, if you are snap phone, if you are seeing phone, normally, Obi are not or Judy. I know him say, be on the 7 belly out on you, no could belly out, and also to call the next level. And the father will name me, Daddy, I'm really sorry. You know your son. I'm fighting spiritual and physical and everything, psychological warfare. Adebayo, I'm sorry, bro. Forgive me. Bolare, I'm really sorry, Father. For life is for life. You remember this. I told you I'll make you proud. I'm only begging for a second chance. If you know I've disgraced them enough, right?
Okaya one can go see oh yeah, no. And Chebia and a police for Kobo in Joe. And then call pam to police station. Said again a funny face I. And from more reports now, I must say funny face threatens so obekumu nkrofobi. I brought or make video no. And no cry so because Okase obekum Vanessa. Obi anu onu akase kunu. And apart from that no, I'm say caliber so hu be mu bi. Bismarck the joke so hu be mu bi. It's not just a threat now why no. I was somewhere there omutu anamo na omo hwe na bibia akoda din ansana. Abranti na kwa bibi bonny because depression there it's mainly due into a lot. Obet my sorry is here what I'm saying I'll show me. Now after 2-3 minutes now I regret of doing that. Now me can a sign no I bury.
Yeah, I have my car, so I have my car.
Funny face a bush for Mombo Modia, Mon sorry worker. Now mon train bang a branch and money no yede. Mundin como. If for the best thing to do is that on vacating on free social media, both Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, on vacating on for a while. Now on post non that on. Now mon pair of ababa we be obit my head. As soon a branch here. So we are on also be any G and then kind call on a brabum. Because I branch or brand kasa. Police are searching. Meaning some of the neko, some of the I don't really know. Make a short commercial break. Now me bar, me den kaya beside it. And appear also.
Adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon nenim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa. Enti no nsem a esi anajo, esi anwumre amache ene de keka nyina no. York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo but what dey answer be show eye me Okamafo Clement any my brother for e wo York morning so every Monday up to Friday ɛyɛ 6 am na afei yɛmfa nsɛm a asi wɔ manim nyinaa ɛmɛsom wo yɛbɛkɔ amama nyinaa so yɛbɛkɔ apueɛ ne atɔyɛ baabi biara a asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afei mene mmienu yɛadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ɛne ne bɔbrɛ baabi a asi afa hyia me na yɛndwen ɔman no.
TV, HY TV, Mufan Chairman, Elijano Abroso, because yet is a Shatawale Ayade, but reporter Minas is here and he said, Wale Enwe and Odasi or Tiasi. And near Ekoba, it was what for a reason, and the money, yes, and your man. And he's saying, and he said, I time our brand channel, Ekotana FM radio, so and making the suggestions, the conclusions, attributions, in area. Or say Shatawale, just from the beginning, one go straight to the point. Or say someone from the music industry will die on the 18th of October 2021. Now, Nipani a dance on you or to dance on music. Now, dance all the Ghana has one head dance on music. Ye Shatawale, ye Stoneboy, ye Stoneboy, ye Fasamini, and an episode. One bio, Larry so meaning so head dance or there, maybe or head dance. It is some crowd why the echo. Say stone, say one. But every no, omo be body no, omo force na money body. No body so kobo, ye bra penny. Wale o. Now the on suro bia wale na ko kana sem.
18th October 2021. Asem si Ghana ha. Ghana for mon paye pa ma o ma didi pa ma to dan hall music
dance hall, yeah.
Me hu se ba ko ahwe nan kwa.
Now to be specific.
Once asem we be see 18th October 2007 South Africa. The same thing Ghana ha. Obi your dance or artist waje pa
because omodoso
we start pa me hu sakro for attack no amodu no and yes or soft video content na one pay man assembly 18th October 2021
why
maximum bakro we start pa otonyo pa we bon pa mu fa do no but on say no Ghana for no we can say bisa do na o betake what
papa o de o say ade a obodi na ha adwen ka bo say ne na nipa na da no ho so ehun se nke no so
nipa mo so attack abana so man for time pa man for time pa
hwan
na 18th October 2007 you be South Africa we do we
nye reggae artist no
Lucky Dube
yeah
the same in 18th October 2021 na Ghana
hwan ya
why did you pa
your friend is saying
they did the chance they can charge
also to dance all say near Shatawale
they who a charge
Shatawale na de charge ni I think Mensa and Yama Mensa
and omon pay more than pa because 18th October 2021 how about lost life and to omon pay more than pa and I was so for be that or so be on say na rather father so and then just as on person be the so pa this are 18th October 2021 at the money be say Monday
well usuro bia wale wale dama so for no want wale nkan e bia fe no wati ni dim e te ba sa no wale so yere the day that very day no or decided to be acting on that and say mo be say unknown gunshot men akun wale a na the reason abranten onwe or that so tinkwem a ogia me kan kasa e ba ni sa pepepe and I then police for ne papa le go station na ko make report and a police for so here omutu anamon omuko so mehwe wale e ko ni fie na wo isle won omuko o ma hu wale omuko na dan fie o ma hu wale na bro wale wo kwani omu hu obi around na che say asem na omu ka no eye no kre because omu fre wale phone na enko omu friend na onfo bi a enko what is happening Tema police for any brain, especially IGP. Dan pare IGP sa IGP ne fani ndi agro. Ye fani ndi agro kra. Ne so IGP mba Ghana da. This one bo wa ye do be ko. Sisi Ghana wona masonson ho. Enye sa obenya case. Uti obi na so ye do be ko. Now the most interesting part is say after omokoye some investigations here omo hwehwe bibia wale akoteni no manoma say we wu so mo hwehwe anybody say den wale be making a tweet no oma Ghana for ehun say nipa one act say ya into omo act on that and I say sanko one make it sa tricks now and Ghana police and omo yes sir and I say one pretend say omekunu and Ghana police better now hashe I didn't see any more crime or better than radio so your TV station no more can you pay na so for no I pray for no I pray for no say na election time I saw for me e buy e na NDC be winning MPP be winning NDC be winning MPP be winning omo mo nko nhye be mu dey fine omo dey ambe mu ni so e omo se e omo dey. It's about time we prevent these people from coming to our radio stations and TV. Omo be hard drink keke. Omo be hard drink keke. E ka omo nko asa fake prophets ni asofu ngwada and can send the money and come me the bebam station. 75 cities 9020 come here. E ka sa trade for nkwada and can sa nko na me the bebam station. You know what they say na me? You know what they say na me? Now only midi real police arrest prophet Jesus ahofe over Shatawale Dave prophecy. Just say police action. So for no. What the I got you say one of the sister stations. One of the sister stations Michelle and him say Adumo say Accra FM way I think it's Accra. Yes. I got chino on ama isian wakoka police inside. Yes, and he has to be dealt with. Police for no momu jeje abranti and crowd. Omo touch no. Air Force. Is it by force? Is it by force? Ah. Obia sorry no opese o hite. Onya fame, onya hype. Into sorry oh me asofo, me say, o me share onkom afi say. And come share my jiji wo we ase me down. As we be me down. Da ben no san troni na switcha. What will this end? Down we are misate osofu bio akwochina sorry bawa sorry game. Oh my goodness. Ayarewo nti osofu ni de we make case asem no so. Make case asem no so because say I trade for we as no more yes sir. I saw them grumpo on befa and ma was sorry. Fani say oyere wakosofu we nche. Na osofu aka che ni say ukunu oyeskedro mi kenan ukunu yeskedro. Na wa jisofu ni e man so jisofu disi bibia we as ya.
Aha, sofo. Eli action. Aha, sofo. Sofo. Ya kaye. Sofo ya kaye.
Bia be hu. I see. No.
Sofo. Me catch no ku.
Emma, yeah, o concern sorry I chase na a man kwa the dominate was sorry. And it's about time I was say yes sorry ne twitwa san your man so. San your man will say twitwa ni na so. Aha na mrani di me besi. Aha na mrani betimi di mesi. Me say all they follow me on like na share na subscribe the channel no. HYTVGH subscribe it, na share na like it. Na so share my tidy my mijine ya every your clothing also my sweet my fresh na day. Like say off it when you scour room unye ska wenum ko channel button tare ena York mineral water omuna efa dwumedi na ya da obi bia asese mo hwe it's still your number one MC for you. Yes, straight up kra you be say shebru.
Don't envy if you blow with the blow. If you blow with the blow.
The question is faithful. What do you profit to tarnish your border? Punjami.